Do you fancy doubling some of your cryptocurrency? Well, today we're having a look at one of the airdrops that's happening that will give you an opportunity to double your crypto. So here's a site. We're looking at Cat.Trade. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. I won't go into too much detail on it all. I just want to go through the main steps in order to receive the one-to-one airdrop. And this will be happening on Redeem Day. So if we scroll down a little bit, on Friday the 12th of Feb, the CATX token has a one-to-one snapshot. So any tokens bought or airdrop before this date, and it's held in a ERC20 wallet, will receive a one-to-one allocation. So if you hold, say, 100 tokens, you will be receiving 100 tokens, i.e. doubling your crypto. We're just going to have a look at the steps needed to do this. Not looking into the project in more detail, but you can do. I'll leave a link in the description below. As it says here, so it takes a snapshot of all our balances. Any tokens purchased and held in the wallet before or at this time will be matched one for one. So there's a few things we need. We need to buy the tokens from an exchange. We need to move them into our wallet and then just wait for the day. This is how we do it. First, we're going to go to the exchange. The exchange we use is called Exmarkets or Exmarkets. And so once you've logged in, you're going to create a free account. This is where we actually get the tokens to qualify for the airdrop for. We would hit over to trade in here. So in order to claim the airdrop tokens, you do need to purchase them. And for that, you'll need Ethereum. So you can use some of my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can claim some free coins from Coinbase, swap them to Ethereum if you want to. Send the Ethereum over to Exmarkets here. Now to send them over, you have to deposit first. Here we go here, click deposit. As you can see, I've got some CATX token. They did a free airdrop when it first launched. I didn't manage to get around to do a video on it, but I received 100 tokens. You'll probably be able to see it down here somewhere. Here, 100 tokens, and that's what I'm going to move to the other wallet. I'll show you how to do that later. So Ethereum, you want to deposit some Ethereum. You will get an address here to send it to. Get your address, send it over, obviously from Coinbase. Once it's in, then what you want to do is go to the trading. You want to bring up and find the pair, the Ethereum and against CATX. So you can look over here. So you go for Ethereum. Oh, here it is at the top. So you would click this. You would have an Ethereum balance. I haven't got any. I've already got the free tokens that I claimed. But from here, you want to quit by CATX. You'd use all your Ethereum, or you can choose how much you want to buy. Buy it. You should convert it into CATX, which you can see over here. So I've got 100 tokens, and that's already on that side of things. Now we need a wallet. So we're going to use the MetaMask wallet. So head over to metamask.io. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. And this is the wallet, so you download it. It's actually an extension you can just add to Chrome. And once you've added it, it will be at the top. And you just need to add the CATX token. So let me see if I can go through the screens just to show you. So you click download. Once it loads, here we go. So install it for your browser. You can download the apps as well. We'll do the browser. Install it. Click this. It will go through and install it for you. I already have it installed. See if it comes up over here. Just click the extension at the top. Here we go, and you can see it's here. So all we need to do is enter a password. To unlock it. And then as you can see, it should pop up. I have nothing in there at the moment, and you won't see this one here. So what you have to do, you have to add it by clicking add token. You can search for, so obviously search for CATX. Don't think it will come up. So custom token. You need the token contract address. So I will put this in the description below. Just copy that in. It should pre-populate these, and then just click it. It should add CATX to your MetaMask wallet, and that will be here. When you do get the MetaMask wallet, you should get an option to back everything up. So please do back everything up. Obviously, keep it all safe. So last thing to do is to move the CATX token. We're going to head back to Exmarkets, and so we click here, we click balances, just wait for it to pop up and load. Here we go. I think it's actually gone up a little bit. So you want to withdraw. Here we go. Withdraw. And they've actually changed the minimum, I think because of the Ethereum fees. So we can't actually withdraw the 100 tokens at the moment, so it must be more than 200. Obviously, of course, they don't charge transaction fees, and with Ethereum fees being high at the moment, they have to actually pay them. So what I'm going to do is see if the fees do come down, so I can withdraw the 100 over the next few days, or either get some more and buy some more up to the minimum of 200 and then do it. So you won't see me doing it on this video. I want to get it out before the deadline. I don't want to wait till then. All we do in the receiving address is put where we're sending it. So we will head over back to the MetaMask, or I think we can do it here. I just clicked on the icon. CATX. And we need a receiving address. I just realised here, here we go, here's the address, click it, pop it in here, click withdraw, and it should take 1 to 2 hours for it to confirm the transaction and withdraw. I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to keep an eye over the next few weeks. I'm going to post this video though, so you guys don't miss out within a few days, and you can get all set up and wait for the fees to drop, or unless you're going above the minimum, which is about $75 or so, you can do that. If I've left any steps out and you get stuck, do comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And on the 12th of Feb, I don't know if it's credited straight away, but you'll get whatever you put in, you'll get that doubled, and you can do whatever you want with it. If you want to look into the actual platform, or send it back and sell it for another coin or anything, I guess you can do. And that is about it for this video. So showing you how to double your crypto using a one-to-one airdrop that is being provided by the CATX project. I definitely recommend looking into the CATX project anyway. I'll leave some links in the description below to their Telegram chat as well. Hope you enjoyed the more direct approach on this video, to trying something different. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or let me know if you want anything covering. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all your support. I'll get some more videos out over the next few weeks. Lots planned for this year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.